If your computer is running out of disk space and you're tired of those pesky low storage warnings, you've come to the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to clear up disk space using the Disk Cleanup tool by uninstalling unused programs and by clearing temporary files. First things first, let's use the built-in Disk Cleanup tool. Just press the Windows key, type Disk Cleanup, and hit Enter. Select your drive and let the tool calculate how much space you can free up. Check the boxes for the files you want to delete and click OK. Confirm, and you're done. Another great way to free up space is by uninstalling programs you no longer use. Go to Settings, Apps, then Installed Apps. Scroll through the list, select the ones you want to remove, and click Uninstall. Easy, right? Now, let's tackle those temporary files. Press the Windows plus R keys, type %temp% and hit Enter. This opens your temporary files folder. Select all, right-click, and choose Delete. Don't worry, these are just temporary files and you won't miss them.